Alright, quick video for you guys here today. Alright, auto park. So shift to reverse, hit start. We're actually doing this on Cyber Monday at Best Buy. But I would like to be doing this in my Cyber truck on Cyber Monday. Well, this is interesting. We've got someone backing up here.
Oh, watch out, baby, watch out.
Wow.
Okay, baby, just put me. Sorry.
Wow, I'm so glad I recorded that. Hilarious. Only if I set my horn to like some like more like plausible like thing. You know, they have horn options, you can pick the sounds. But anyways, that's how you park and not get hit. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button if you enjoyed and subscribe for more.